Home loans made simple. That's the richmondcustomhomes.com difference. As you make mortgage payments and your home's value increases, you begin building home equity, the difference between your home's market value and what you still owe on your loan. Home equity can become a powerful financial tool when used wisely. One common way homeowners use equity is through a cash-out refinance or home equity loan. This allows you to access part of your home's value as cash. Many homeowners use this money for home improvements, which can increase the property's value even further. Others use home equity to invest in additional real estate, helping them grow their long-term wealth. Some people also use it to consolidate higher interest debt, potentially lowering their overall interest costs. The key is to use home equity strategically so it supports your long-term financial goals rather than short-term spending. For more info, Dwayne Buziak, Mortgage Maestro, NMLS 1110647 804-212-8663. Dwayne at coast2coastmal.com and visit richmondcustomhomes.com.